Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential kitchen appliances. Today, we're going to talk about the incredible espresso machine. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the latest news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this espresso machine in the description. The CASABREWS 20-bar espresso machine is an excellent option for coffee lovers who want to enjoy barista-quality beverages in the comfort of their homes. This model, which is one of the top choices in the semi-automatic espresso machine category on Amazon, boasts an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on 2,349 reviews and has been purchased by over 300 people in the last month. The CASABREWS allows you to prepare all your favorite espresso-based drinks, such as lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos, right in your kitchen. It features a stainless steel design that is not only stylish but also durable, making it ideal for kitchens of any size. The machine is compact and practical, perfect for both home and office use, and also stands out as a great gift option for occasions like weddings, birthdays, and family celebrations. The professional 20-bar pressure system, combined with an Italian pump and a powerful 1350W motor, ensures high-quality extraction that results in a more fragrant and rich aroma. The machine includes a built-in pressure gauge that shows the exact pressure, allowing you to make adjustments according to your personal taste preferences. This means you can create a cappuccino, latte, or flat white with coffee shop quality right at home or in the office. One of the major highlights of the CASABREWS is its milk frothing system. The machine has a powerful steam wand that allows you to texture milk to create creamy and rich microfoam, ideal for making latte art and enhancing the flavor of your brews. This feature awakens the barista in you, enabling you to create your own milk foam art. Additionally, the machine is compact, stylish, and practical. Its beautiful and compact design fits into any kitchen, regardless of size. You can make single or double espresso shots with a beautiful layer of crema in minutes. The removable 34-ounce water tank allows you to brew multiple cups before needing a refill and is easy to remove for refilling. The CASABREWS comes with several included components, such as the 34-ounce removable water tank, a single shot filter, a double shot filter, a portafilter, a tamper with a spoon, and an instruction manual. All these components make the machine even more practical and easy to use. CASABREWS is known for its excellent customer service. They offer a 1-year warranty, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction. If you encounter any issues or have questions, their customer support is ready to assist. Despite all these positive points, some consumers mention that the price of the CASABREWS 20-bar is a bit high compared to other options on the market. Additionally, the 34-ounce water tank might be considered small for those who wish to prepare several cups of coffee consecutively. In summary, the CASABREWS 20-bar espresso machine is an excellent choice for those seeking a professional coffee experience at home. With its build quality, versatility, and ease of use, it stands out as one of the best options available on the market. If you are a coffee lover who values quality and practicality, the CASABREWS 20-bar will certainly meet your expectations. Leave your opinion on this espresso coffee machine in the comments, and if you have any questions, write to me so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.